It's the Italian brainrot character. Let's go! Who is this brainrot animal? Scimpanzini bananini. Wah, wah, wah. Which Italian brainrot is this? Boneca ambalabu. Follow and like or tungtungsahur will eat you. Which Italian brainrot is this? Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa. Guess this brainrot animal. Frigo camelo, buffo fardello. Share and tag a friend that looks like a ballerina cappuccina. Who is this brainrot animal? Udin din 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 dun, ma din 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 dun. Like the video if you thought that was too easy. Do you know who this is? Sigma boy. Sigma, 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 boy, boy. Okay, now the last one and the hardest one. Leave your answer in the comments.